Hi, kindergarten. So this is something fun for you to do. You're going to go to Seesaw and you are going to click on this picture right here. Let me show you. Oh, let me move the screen over so you can see. You're going to click on the link and it's just going to open this up, and then you are going to be able to listen to the story Wacky Wednesday by Dr. Seuss. So you'll click on this link, it will open up the story on YouTube. Listen to the story. It's a really funny and cute one that Dr. Seuss wrote. And then at the end of the story, you're going to be able to click on the next, and this second slide shows you how to do it. So you are going to take a picture of yourself on Seesaw, and then there are going to be lots of different things to decorate your picture looking wacky for Wacky Wednesday, right? Because today's Wednesday. And you can make your picture look all wacky with different objects. And to make them come to the front so they don't get stuck behind each other, you see the three little dots. You're going to see three little dots next to, I'll show you, next to a picture. So let me click on one. Let me see if it lets me click on one. Nope, it's not going to let me click on one unless I go up here. Just give me a second. Nope, it's not gonna let me. So you're going to see three little dots next to the wacky objects, and then you're going to see order and then bring to the front, and that will help you bring any wacky object you want to put on your picture up to the front so it doesn't go behind your picture. And then looking here, this is where you're going to go take a picture of yourself, right, using the picture option on the left side of your screen. And you'll come up here and then you can drag and drop any of these things onto your picture. And remember, there'll be three little dots next to each picture, and then you can go order and bring it to the front again so it doesn't get stuck behind your picture, kind of like it was happening yesterday on our animals. The labels kept going behind the picture, right? So that will help bring it to the front. And it's just really something fun to do after reading and listening to that story by Dr. Seuss. So after you're finished decorating your picture, hit done and turn it in, and then continue on with the rest of the day, finishing your math, your journeys, listening to the read alouds, read your own books, of course, right? And then do your afternoon work with your win. And then after you turn everything in and do everything that I posted for you on Seesaw, you're finished for your Wednesday. So you do it at your own time, right, between the school hours, and then I'll have more for you on Thursday. All right, have a good day.